Finally, what do you need to be an effective journalist? A notebook with a pen or a mechanical pencil. A tape recorder. If possible, always ask permission before recording an interview. Now, North Carolina is what's called a one-party consent state. As long as one person in the conversation has consented to it being recorded, it's legal. Now, this is not true in every state, so if you move outside of North Carolina, be sure to check the state laws. You'll want a computer so you can type up your story and learn how to type relatively quickly. You'll also want a camera. Now, you might not always get a photographer assigned to your story, especially in breaking news situations. And finally, a good telephone can replace the tape recorder and the camera.